So as I stand here just a steps away from the water that you see, I'm looking at the little ripples and wondering what's underneath. I see the white bird and it can't help but bring me to a place of hope. A hope for a better world that sends love through frequencies from above. And in those quiet places as we go off and think of all the things in nature, I ponder upon the clouds and wonder, in their atmosphere, do they know how much they mean to us? How when the rain comes down and waters the green, it grows for us. I can't swim, but I must learn real soon because the water is calling me. It's like the words that just flow out of me. I don't pretend to know exactly just where this will lead. But I know sometimes we just need a voice of encouragement, please. Something that gives us just a brighter day in a brighter way when the sun just isn't quite shining the same. We won't get sad, and we know that this emotion of anything that's not happy is only for the moment. That when I reach into the gratefulness of what is today, the fact that I'm breathing and can speak the words as they say, that I can look upon the birds as they fly, that I can go into a trance where no one dies. I can just see the sounds of even the lawnmower beyond, because I know that there's still work to be done, people to be won, and I'm glad you had this moment where you can see just how much words mean to me. Thank you. This is Danielle LeBoy, your poetic nurse.